Guys, today we got something over from our friends from AGM. And previously we've tortured one of their phones here on our channel. And I think that they love the way that we played with their phone. So today we got another one over here, which is the all new AGM H3. This is another rugged phone for us to torture. And right now we're going to try to break it apart. Want to see? Let's go. Hi guys, it's me Richmond of Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So we have here the AGM H3 and we're going to open it, and it's a really nice rugged phone wherein you have the blend between black and orange. Definitely it's a nice stuff, a nice color choice, and what they told me that they are proud of their infrared night camera on this one. So we'll be trying this one as well. But of course, first up, let's check what other things are inside the box. We have our user guide over here. And they did away with the 3.5mm audio jack because they really need to put this underwater. So here it is. Our 10 watts charger. And hey, it's a Type-C cable. After opening this box, I was able to gather this one. This phone is really tough. As usual, the AGM gives me those tough looking phones, which of course you can throw it inside the pool. Take some camera shots down under the pool. It's really nice. And I have here this one, and it's really nice upon swiping left and right. It's quite smooth. Playing with the interface, it's nice. Was able to do some multitasking without any problem. And overall, I can say it's really nice. But of course, I did try to take some shots, camera shots. The camera is just average, not the best, not the worst. Now, of course, we're not here to take a look at the aesthetics. Neither are we here to see the performance on gaming. Of course, this is not really your gaming phone, but this is your top phone. Now, I did put this one to the test, and of course, let's see if it survived. So I did 4 tests. One, dropping to the pool, to the water test. 2, extreme temperature test. 3, a drop test. And 4, dust test. Let's see. So right now I'll be dropping this inside the, of course, pool of water. So I wasn't able to go to the swimming pool today, so we'll drop it here. So, so let's show you that it's still working properly before we dunk it. Okay, screen off. Let's go. Just wash it. Okay. Turn the screen on. Okay, it's still turning on. It's good. Ooh, it's still working. Nice job. So I heard that this phone can withstand harsh weather condition, be it extremely hot or extremely cold. So since I don't have some extremely hot places to put this phone inside, so I had some extremely cold. So checking the temperature of this refrigerator, let me show you. So we're having negative 22 degrees Celsius inside my refrigerator. So yeah, I'll put this exactly on top of some ice cubes over here, together with the ice creams. So put it here. I'll let it settle for 10 minutes and we'll come back for it and see if it's working perfectly. So before that, I'll show you that it's still working properly after dunking it inside the water. So let it settle. Timer, 10 minutes. We'll be back. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so yeah, let's check our phone. It's pretty frosted. It's really cold. Let's see if it turns on. Yeah, it turns on. Swipes pretty well. Everything's still fine, and it's really amazing that this phone can withstand harsh weather condition as low as negative 22 degrees Celsius inside the refrigerator. Pretty amazing. Okay, so my next test is to drop this on the floor. So yeah, we're roughly around 2 meters well, from above ground. So yeah, let's just simply drop it like this. Ouch, that gotta hurt. Okay, so it survived the drop. Okay, not bad. So right now for our final test, we'll pour it with some powder instead of dust, since we don't normally collect dust here. And yeah, it's just pouring some dust like particles to this phone. So let's see if it works. Okay, so there. Uh, okay, just put it with some powders. Okay, just like cornstarch or whatever it is. So let's see. Amazing. This phone is really amazing. Really. We've already finished torturing this phone, and I believe that it had survived the test without any problem. So right now it's still working and it's still functioning like normal. Okay, really, you just really need to clean it a bit. So if you want to buy this phone, I'll drop it in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course click that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos here from my channel. And so I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Hoo-cha!